Hello grade 2, this is Miss Asma and this is lesson 11.1 and today we are going to talk about three-dimensional shapes. As we see, all of these are three-dimensional shapes. The back of tissue, the tent, basket and the ice cube also. So, what are three-dimensional shapes? These are the shapes that take up space. They have three dimensions: length, width, and height. And these are the three-dimensional shapes. The first one, the cylinder, which looks like in our real life the soup can or the candle. And the second one here is a cube, which looks like the cube of ice or a box. And the third one, which is rectangular prism, which looks like the back of tissue or the building block. And here we have also the triangular prism, which looks like a tent. Hello grade 2. Here in our book in page 706 we have some of the three-dimensional shapes. The first one, which is a cube, we can notice that it has length, width and height. So the first one, which looks like in our real life the cube of ice, is a cube. The second one is called rectangular prism. The rectangular prism is more longer than the cube. Look. And in our real life we have some things looks like a rectangular prism, like a pack of tissue, like the box of shoes. And the third one here is a sphere. And the sphere looks like the ball in our real life, or a marble. The third one is called cylinder. Cylinder looks like, yes, a soup can, or a can of Pepsi, for example, or a candle also. Number 3, which is a cone, looks like an ice cream cone, or the cone which we are wearing in the birthday party. Here he said to me, which of these objects has the shape of a cube? What do you think? The first one, we have a dice. The second one is a globe. The third one is an ice cream cone. He asked me about the cube. Yes, the dice looks like a cube. Here, circle the objects that match the shape name. Number 1, we have sphere. We said the sphere is a perfect rounded, so it looks like a dice or a ball or a cup. Yes, sphere looks like a ball. Number 2, the cube. The cube looks like the back of tissue or the dice or the vegetable soup. This can. The cube looks like, yes, the dice. Here, circle the objects that match the shape name. We have cylinder, and this is a roll of tissue, and this is a book and a dice. What do you think? Cylinder looks like this roll of tissue, or the book, or the dice? Yes, cylinder looks like the roll of tissue. Number 4 is the rectangular prism. We said rectangular prism looks like our book, our back of tissue, or the shoes book. So we have here shoes box or tissue pack or glass. Yes, the shoes box and the tissue bag looks like rectangular prism. Make a circle around them. Number 5, which is cone, looks like the first figure or the second one or the third one? Yes, the cone looks like the first picture and the ice cream cone, which is the last one. Here Jolly used cardboard squares as the flat surfaces of a cube. How many squares did he use? He said to me that he used cardboard squares as the flat surfaces. We know that the cube contains of 6 squares, right? Like that one. So all its faces looks like squares. So he will use how many squares? Yes, the cube is made of 6 squares, so he will use 6 squares here. Number 7, circle the shapes that have a curved surface. Curved surface means not straight. So any shape here has any curved surface, I will make a circle around it. And the other one, I will make X. So look at the first one, which is a cone. Do you think the cone has any curved surface? Yes. The base of the cone looks like a curved surface, right? So make a circle. The second one, which is rectangular prism. Look at this one. It has any curved surface? Of course not. So make X. The third one, the third dimensional shape is called, yes, sphere, which looks like the ball, as we said. The sphere has any curved surfaces? Yes, of course. So make a circle. Number 4, which is cube. This cube has any curved surfaces? No. So I'll make X. The third one, which is cylinder. Look at the two bases of the cylinder, which is one up and one down. Both of them looks like, yes, a circle. So it has any curved surfaces? Yes, it has two curved surfaces. So make a circle. Number 8, make connections. Reba traced around the bottom of each block. Match each block with the shape Reba draw. Here we have the first one. The first three-dimensional shape is called, yes, rectangular prism. Look at this rectangular prism and these shapes. The rectangular prism looks like a circle or a square or rectangle. Yes, looks like a rectangle. The second one, which is called cylinder. This one, cylinder. The two bases of the cylinder looks like a circle. This one and the other one looks like a circle or a square. Yes, a circle. So match them. The third one, which is a cube. Yes, all its surfaces looks like a square. Number 9, match the shapes. We have here a cube, cone, cylinder, and sphere. The cube looks like this can or the dice, the ball or the ice cream cone. Yes, the cube looks like the dice, so match them together. Number 2, the cone looks like the can, ball or the ice cream cone. Yes, the ice cream cone. The third one, which is cylinder, looks like, yes, a can of Pepsi or this can. The third one, which is a sphere, looks like in our real life the ball.